everyone, my name is Tasia Gary.
And I'm Kennedy Hadley.
And today we are going to explain to you all on how to send a professional email. So an email is basically it's the cheapest and fastest way in today's time to communicate. Okay. Step number 1 is to make sure your personal email account is appropriate. For example, make sure you don't have an email that says twerktime@gmail.com. That shows and displays what type of person you may be without actually being in person with that individual. It gives employers the impression that you are not qualified for the job. The correct email to have, for example, is tianacarroll@gmail.com. It is a fact that people usernames and emails says a lot to an employer or for an educational reason as well.
The second step in the process of sending a professional email is the recipient portion. The recipient is the person you are sending the email to. For professional reasons, the email could be for your professor, employer, or an organization. Make sure you have properly spelled your recipient's name so that your email can be sent successfully.
The third step is the subject line. And in a professional email, the subject line is always required. This is important because the subject line is the first thing a recipient will see once they open their inbox. Another important reason for the subject line is it will determine whether your email gets open or not. Keep it short and to the point.
The fourth step in the process is the actual message. Begin your professional email with a greeting such as good morning or good evening, and always address your recipient respectfully using Miss, Mr., or Doctor, for example. If you do not know which person to send it to, just simply say to whom it may concern. Greetings at the beginning of an email shows respect towards the person you are sending the email to.
The fifth step is the email message body. In the body of the message, it will explain your reasons or purpose of writing your email. Make sure that your email have correct grammar. How you talk to your friends is not the way you talk in a professional email. Don't use words like TTYL, laugh out loud, or what you're doing. Always watch out for those simple mistakes in your professional email.
The sixth step is the closing. Remember to use an appropriate closing. A commonly used closing is thank you for your time. Your full name should also be included in this portion.
Step 7. After your closing is typed up, you will now reread and check over your message for any misspelled words. Reason for this is because you want your recipient to know that you took the time out to write out a good message. Sending a message with a lot of mistakes would seem as though your thoughts wasn't well put together. That could possibly have you out of a potential job or a scholarship that you could have gotten. Always remember to check over your email message before sending it.
Thank you for watching our video on how to send a professional email.
Again, I am Tasia Gary.
And I'm Kennedy Hadley.
And thank you.